guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and today I have another unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury. So let's get started and see what she sent me. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury box that I got today, and we're going to open it and we're going to see what she sent me. Ooh, let's see. Oh boy. I'm just going to put this on the ground for now. So, let's see. This is a lipstick that I got in Icon Baby by Charlotte. It's from her K.I.S.S.I.N.G. Looks like Kissing. I can't read that. Her Kissing collection. And I also got the lip liner, the Lip Cheat lip liner in the Icon Baby, so it matches perfectly. And look at this. When you order online, you guys, she sends you samples. Like, you get to pick out what you want. So I picked out the Joyphoria. This is one of her fragrances, so I got like a little sample of that. And I also got the Cosmic Power. And we're going to give those a try in a second. But I'm going to put the camera on me because I want to try these lipsticks on. Let's check out the lipsticks and see what they look like. Now, mind you, I'm not wearing any makeup today, but that's okay. We're gonna play. We're gonna play with lipstick and lip liner today, and we're gonna try fragrance on. So the one thing I want to say about Charlotte's lip liners is they are waterproof. So they are going to stay put when you put them on. And what I also like about her lip liners is they're creamy to put on. They don't get dried out where you feel like you're drawing blood trying to get them on. They go on creamy, but they stay put. So let's get started. And this is going to be on the lighter side because it actually matches my lips. And then we're going to do a little Cupid's bow. Let me just come up here so I can make sure I'm doing, yeah, I can see better now. There was a shadow when I was doing it, sitting down. And I'm also going to pencil my lip in as well, a little bit. This also acts to keep your lipstick on longer in between touch-ups. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a pinky beige, but it's light. It's not too dark. So, okay, let me just put you guys here for a second. Now let's open the lipstick and see what the lipstick looks like on. I love Charlotte's lipsticks. Look at the packaging. It's like a rose gold. Love this color. And this is the shade, if you can see it. It's like a really light beige, like pinky beige. Oh, I like this. It's going to be my new favorite nude. Oh, I like that. What do you guys think? It's a nice pinky beige. I would definitely do this lip with maybe a more dramatic eye and a lot of eyeliner, and then do it with a softer lip. You could also put gloss on it. This does have a little bit of slippage to it. It's not like real matte. It's got a little moisture to it. But if you want, you can get the Plumpgasm in the lightest shade. I think it's called Diamonds, and put that like in the center just for a little bit of like sparkle. Be really pretty. Ooh, I like that. I like this lip. And it looks good because even though I don't have any makeup on, it's not like it looks ridiculous. You know what I mean? Because it's light. So like this would be a good everyday lip if you're not going to do a lot of makeup on your skin. Or if you're going to do more dramatic eyes, this is also a good lip to do. I like it. Very pretty. I'm very happy. So just before we get to trying on the fragrances, because I want to see what they smell like, I do want to let you know I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. And if you click my link, which is in my bio on my website, you click my link, and if you copy my discount code, which is also when you click my link, my page comes up, my storefront, and then you click my link, the discount code, which that will give you for 15% off your first purchase. I will let you know that it doesn't include virtual consultations or any special pricing or bundles. Anything that's already discounted, the discount won't work. But if you were just to get this, and say you wanted to get a fragrance and maybe a blush, you would get 15% off your entire order. It's also for first-time online purchasers with Charlotte as well. But there's always different promotions going on too. So if you can't get the discount, sometimes look for some of the other discounts going on. And the bundles are a really nice discount because you can get a lot of product for a little bit less. So let's try on the fragrance now. Let's see. This one is the Cosmic Power. Let's see. And you know what's kind of cute about these is it gives you a little bit of background about the fragrance. The powerful of scent to unlock your emotions. A cosmic power from the stars, a portal of protection. Enter a realm where you will have the power to set up your intention. It's like a sprinkle of pure stardust, of which we are all made. So rise up to the sky and let your frequency cascade. With the blend of amber, frankincense, black pepper, let's say pepper? Yeah, black pepper and spices, it will give you the inner confidence to take on anything that arises. I have bad eyes, so don't mind me. I'm trying to see, and it's like when I do this, it's blurry. When I go here, it's blurry. I have to like get it just so. So anyway, so let's give this one a shot. Let's try this one over here. Ooh, this one's nice. This one, I can smell the amber in it. This one is a really nice one. Like if anything, oh, it's on my fingers too. If anything, I think if I was going out at night, I would wear the Cosmic Power. I would wear, is that what it's called? Cosmic Power. Yeah, Cosmic Power. This it's kind of like a warm amber, like it's kind of like a warm scent, but it's more of a kind of a powerful evening scent, I think, like a nice date night scent. So this one is the Joyphoria, And this one says, choose your frequency, the power of scent to unlock emotions. A portal of Joyphoria in pure paradise, you will be this happy. You will be this is you will be this is oh, okay, it's like a rhyme. This is happiness bottled, one spritz and you'll see. Like a ray of golden sunshine, you will glow with delight, balmy, warm, radiant. Turn your face towards the light. It's escapism, celebration, and pure abandon. Okay. With a sunny bouquet, a blend of lang lang, yin yang, I can't say that word, solar vanilla, and jasmine to attract happiness to your day. Now, let's see what this one smells like. I'm going to put this one over here. This might be nice for during the day, whereas Cosmic Power is better for night. Whoops, it's not working. There we go. Ooh, yeah. This one, Joyphoria, this one's nice. This one's nice for during the day. It does have a little bit of a floral, almost like a sweet smell to it. Whereas the Cosmic Power is definitely more amber, more warm, almost wintry. Like Cosmic Power to me, not only would I wear it at night, but it would be my winter scent. This to me is a day, a light scent, and it kind of reminds me of spring. So this is going to be my spring scent, the Joyphoria, and the Cosmic Power is going to be my winter scent, if that makes any sense. But they both smell really good. But because it's winter, I'm going to start using the Cosmic Power. So anyway, like I said, when you order online from Charlotte, you get to pick 1 to 2 samples. So always, make sure you grab her samples so you can try something new, and you never know, you might like it. So like I said, my Magic Beauty Stars link is in my bio on my website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and make sure you use my discount. Copy and paste my discount when you check out so you get your 15% off. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but I'm really liking this lippy. This is going to be my new favorite nude lip. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, a great evening, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.